With me here, I have seven leaves of oregano or Kalabo in Bisaya. This is herbal plant known to have phytonutrients, good to fight infections and for cough and cold. So a while ago, I got this one from the pharmacological here in the school. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I wanna try to also include this calamansi, 3 calamansis. And so I'm going to prepare this and drink in a while. I'll show you how. So let's try to wash this first. The leaves, the oregano, or kalabo in Bisaya, oregano in English, para matanggal ang, to remove the dust. So it smells good, really, like menthol. Best known as good for cough and colds. It has phytonutrients that good to fight infections. And then the lemon, calamansi. We call this one calamansi, and then or Philippine lemon. Okay. So let's prepare. Let's try to show how para din sa mga our mommies. So this is now the washed leaves of kalabo or oregano for cough and colds. The best of this is it has no side effects. If you are going to drink this maybe 3 times in a day, no side effects and very good because this herbal medication. So I'm going to slice the calamansi. So just like that. Parang at the top lang. Prevention is better than cure. So it's now 2 days na I have this cough and cold. So kailangan bawal magkasakit kasi may trabaho. So this is how the glass, I'm going to do just like this. Parang natin by glass. Wala siyang side effects sa body. You can feel the acidity, pain, kay herbal man siya. So this is how it looks. I really feel so cold. Maginaw. Thanks God kay our parents. I have to take medication. I have to take this herbal plants. I'll be healed immediately. Okay. So extract para makuha ang juice. Clean na akong kamot. My hands are clean because I just washed a while ago. So if you see, nag-extract siya. Our juice is ready now. Ayan. So I'll drink this one now. It smells good. So shake a little. So ito na. the oregano and the calamansi. Okay, I'll be uh, taking this now as my medication. Thank you for watching.